Hi Stallions! Now that you've learned a little bit about landforms, it's time to show what you know. You get to be an artist. So for this activity, you need to make sure you have your landforms drawing page and some crayons. So if you do not have those, pause this video and go and get them. Welcome back. We are so excited to see what awesome artists you guys are. So in each box, you're going to be drawing a different type of landform. Think about what they look like in the video. Make sure you're using the correct colors and trying your best. You may want to pause this video as you watch it if you think you might need help reading the words. This first box is going to be a river. What does a river look like? Next, we have lake right here. Then you're going to draw a valley. Right here is a plain. Over here is mountain. And down at the bottom is hill. When you're finished, take a picture and send it on Seesaw. Have a great day, Stallions.